Good morning. How you doing, everyone? Me and Shane on our way to Selco, like promised. Yay! Yeah, gonna go pick up this plasterboard from Mum, drop it around her house, and with the intention of fitting it up, see how long it takes us to get through Selco and everything like that. But I'll start removing a bit of plasterboard, try and get it up. That's what we're aiming for anyway. Yay! Alright. So made it to Selco, picked up the plasterboard. We're now around Mum's house. Hello, Mum.
Let me put my tummy in this time.
Oh, Jesus. Yeah, made it around Mum's. We're just setting up now. Gonna rip down as little as possible. Cut the bit of plasterboard in. Fill it. And then that'll be us for today. And then next time I come here, I'll sand it down, put another final skim on it. Should be all right. Should be as good as it's gonna get. Yeah, we'll see how that goes.
Drink it all, can I? So I've kept a little bowl, a little bit of cereal, sometimes I have coffee. Any I always sit on the end of the bed, I never get out and go like that.
Why? I don't want to do it. Never.
I told you before, and so you're going to remember when I start talking about it. But, done for now. Took a bit longer than I thought. I've got to put a bit of a skim on it next time, but I forgot the jointing tape. So I'll leave the shite here. Yeah, so I'll leave the plaster here for next time. And yeah, result, yeah, Shane?
See.
Don't judge, you can see the gap from space, but once I skim it, I'll hide it, don't worry. As always, it takes me a little bit longer than I plan, but it's just, yeah, because I don't do this every day, I don't have all the tools with me and stuff, but it takes a little bit of practice in working at your van every day. But yeah, something I just have to get used to. And it ain't. How was it?
See.
Number one labourer.
It was great.
Alright, attendance was 90% of it. Just got in. Leo's just woken up from a nap. Haven't you? Yes, you have. And Georgina's received a delivery. We're hoping, I think it is, a very special Christmas delivery for us. We'll have a look now. Oi.
We're some of them cool people that have gone with the matching pyjamas this Christmas.
Oh.
I'm not sure whether Max's comes as a baby grow with pyjamas. I'm hoping it's baby grow. I don't know.
2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of.
Yep.
5 sets.
I'll open Max's and see if it is.
Baby grow, check.
Yeah, good. Very good. That's what you wanted. Matching pyjamas.
Yeah, got to get some photos for next year's calendar.
Good boy.
Come on. Come on. Come on. I think you're cheating, George. I'm gonna go back on what I said. There's been a change of plan. I've got to go back to work for a day, maybe a day and a half, at the British Museum. There's a leak in the basement which I've been working on for the last couple of weeks, popping in there 1 day a week for the last couple of weeks, and we want to fix the leak before the Christmas period, so it's got some time to see if the leak moves somewhere else or whatever. So I've got to pop into British Museum tomorrow, do a bit of work. So I'm not finished work yet, but it doesn't matter.